Switch to solar water heaters. Power your home with the sun. Key benefits of solar water. Heaters save on electricity bills, cut down your power consumption by 60 to 80%. Eco-friendly solution reduces CO2 emissions, helping the environment. One-time investment, long-term returns. Durable systems with 15+ years of lifespan. Low maintenance. Simple setup with minimal upkeep. Efficient heating. Works even in low light or cold conditions with advanced models. Ideal for homes and businesses, available for domestic, commercial, and industrial use. Noise-free operation, silent functioning, unlike electric geysers. Utilizes renewable energy, harnesses free and endless solar power. Safe and reliable, no risk of electric shock or gas leaks. For more details, call us today. Harsha Solar Services, 888-500-0062.